This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I don't know how they know that I'm out here at this time, but that's the anti-bird device. Look at our poor gulls. That's why there's no birds here. I guess they just anticipate they'll be here at this time. I need to mix it up a little bit, and you guys will just have to wait and stand around waiting so you know when I'm coming, which you won't know. So they expect me around this time, and that's not a good thing. So we'll shake it up a little bit, and our poor little crows, seagulls, all of them. That's why there's nothing on the field, but nothing. Not a pigeon, not a gull. Look how disturbed they are, right? Idiots, absolute idiots, and evil people who harass the birds like this. What for? It has warmed up though. Yeah, okay. It's still fall. It's still cold, but it's a lot warmer than it was. Let's put it that way. Okay. Yeah, put this out in the little field. Whoa. See what happens. I'm surprised my crows aren't down here, but let's not forget Georg Schmidt was working today, and I know he must have done something every time that he's working. Listen to that. Listen to that. There you go, YouTubers. Really. It's really awful. And you got the people shopping there at Auto, which is like a odd lot store. It's kind of a very nice store, actually. And it's fun. It's fun to shop in there. I bought numerous things there. And very good price, too, as well. So, we'll go down here, where it's not so muddy. Unbelievable though, right? Really unbelievable. You see, there's not a thing left on this field. Not a crumb. Not a crumb. Okay. Let's see what we can do here tonight. But it's really unbelievable. Now, whether he's up there and watching me, or he's has it on timer. Okay. But yeah, it's very difficult for our gulls, because they're not used to this type of harassment. But our crows will eventually come down. And right there, I want you to see that up in the sky, those are ducks. There's a little group of ducks. They want to land here, but they're flying around in a circle, not knowing what to do. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little ducks. So we'll see if they land or not. Okay? On a fair number of seagulls. I'd say at least 50. But the evening always brings the most amount of gulls. We just have to come at a different time. That's all. The gulls will adjust. They're always looking and watching. Certainly the crows know. They had a nice feeding this morning, and the core group of gulls were here. This is a larger group. You put it out here, see who comes down. Whoever comes down is who comes down. We'll try it out. Don't see Seymour. Gosh, those poor ducks just keep flying around. Anyway, we'll see what happens. See if anyone lands. Of course, if it was colder and they were hungry enough, they would, oh, you see that trailer there? I'm afraid he's either coming back or he's taking cows to the, to be slaughtered. Or he's coming back from the slaughterhouse. But the farmer's having it done at some butcher shop. This is usually 4 o'clock in the afternoon is usually when they take the animals in. I learned that from the farmer from my book, A Heart for Baby. That's when he butchered his animals. Okay. I don't know what that sound is. What is that sound? Hear that? Sounds like a jackhammer. Wow. Working with some kind of tool, not far away. It sounds like a jackhammer, but that's disturbing to the crows. Well, we're not going to have a very good feeding tonight. Too many evil bird haters out, harassing the birds. Seems like this anti-bird device. Oh, that sounds like Seymour. Seymour, get down there. Be smart. It's not going to hurt you. It's just making screeching sounds, Seymour. Go down there and go get your eggs. Go ahead. One of you be brave and go down and show the rest of them. Go ahead, Seymour. Go down there. Anyway, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. I will we'll let you know if any one of these gulls do happen to land. We'll see if there's a brave soul among them. But you know, the level of harassment is just phenomenal. Anyway, poor Seymour. Go, Seymour, go. Get down there. Anyway, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, wishing you a great Monday. Not good feeding opportunity tonight. Too much going on in the village of the damned. Too many bird haters around. Too many evil people. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Not going to let you know when I'm going to show up. Anyway, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Over and out. Thank you for my new subscribers and your wonderful comments. And love your birds. Take care. And I will see you tomorrow bright and early. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Over and out.